Hey guys, we are making taquitos today, or rather mini tacos, so stay tuned. And they're in the air fryer. So for our taquitos today, this is what we will need. I'm making mine from roasted chicken. You can use baked chicken or, any type of chicken you want. Just pull it from the bone. So this is roasted chicken, and I have about 2 cups of chicken here. I also have green chilies, which you do not have to use green chilies, but that just adds a little something. I have carne asada seasoning. You can get that from the grocery store. And you can use 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. And then we have sharp cheddar here. We have some Kobe Jack, a little bit of Italian style cheese, and I'm going to blend it all together in the chicken. Let's go. Oh, and of course, you're going to need your flour tortillas. I've just dumped in the cream cheese, and that's for creaminess, of course. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and add in, I'm not going to add the juice. I'm trying to drain off as much as I can. And I'm going to put in roughly, I don't want to do the whole can, so I'm going to do, I'll say a good 3 teaspoons. Add that, and now I'm going to add my carne asada seasonings. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of that. So I ended up with a tablespoon of that. I'm sorry, I don't have my tripod up and ready, so I'm doing it by hand. So I just dumped in about a tablespoon, tablespoon of the carne asada seasonings. And now I'm going to put in my cheese. All right, guys, so I only had Kobe Jack in slices. So I took 2 slices of Kobe Jack and just kind of tore them apart and put them in here. I am using a 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. Now I am using a 1/2 cup of Italian cheese. And you want to go ahead and stir that up. Okay, you can use whichever ratio you want. You can use less cheese if you want and more chicken. More of the ingredients, it's up to you. But I'm going to get this stirred up and get these in the air fryer. To make these tortillas pliable to work with, you want to put these in the microwave for about 10 seconds, 10 or 12 seconds. I have 5 in here right now, and I'm going to put 5 in the next time. So here's my mixture, and you just want to put not a whole bunch because these are not like burrito style. These are mini tacos or taquitos. So you're going to put just an average, decent amount in there, and you're going to get them rolled up. You want to flip this over, but you want to tuck it super tight, and roll and roll. There you go. You want to stuff this back in here, stuff the stuffings back in, and then place it seam down. And I should have another plate, but I'm in a rush. Seam down on another plate to wait until you roll all of them. Okay, and here they all are all rolled up. I'm going to get them into the air fryer. So we're going to spray our air fryer with olive oil. And I'm going to go ahead and place these in. Okay, you guys, so I have 6 in here. And I put 4 in. They fit lengthwise, so I sprayed with the olive oil spray. I'm going to spray a little bit on top of there and get these into the air fryer. So you want to put these on 400. And you're going to put them on for 10 minutes. And here they are all nice and crispy. I'm going to get them plated up. Here they are, quick and delicious and crispy.